Okay, so now this, well, hold on, let me go back, because you guys need to make a note of this. When you do a 1040 payment voucher, do you see this here? Do you guys see that? This is what I do. Okay, I'm going to say this is what I do. Okay? I'm not saying that you have to do that. This is what I do. So the IRS, but see, the IRS is clear with me already, so they know my process when it comes through there, and they don't have any issue with it. But this is what I do. This money order, see, money order, order of money, paid to the order of the United States. Now, if you want to do that, do that. I'm going to send you this. This is an old one, but you would just scan it in, open it in Photoshop, and maneuver what you want to. Okay? But that is what I chose to do. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to.
So I noticed the date on the upper right-hand corner. Is that how we should date it?
That's how I chose to do it, just so I knew, like, if I ever saw a copy of it, I knew it was a copy of something that was mine. Like the IRS couldn't fill out another one and say, oh, this is, this is what she sent in. No, it's not, because mine looks like this, and this is what's in my record. See, they'll come with fraudulent stuff, you guys. Come on, IRS they're pit bulls. And they don't care if you're innocent or not. They don't. That's not part of their programming. So we have to learn through our documents to reprogram them, to educate them on the way, because most of the people at the IRS that I ever got on the phone, or even corporate office dealing with why my A4V was not credited to my account, all the people on my way up to the top lost their job because they asked too many damn questions. But hey, what's this lady doing here? Wait, this is just, can she do this? Whoop, that's your job. You don't work for them no more. You asked too many questions. So that's how they keep it. Now, on the back of the 1040V, let me see if I have a copy of it handy. You're going to need to endorse it. Because you got to remember, this is payment. In order to pay, they need that signature. But 1040V doesn't have a place for you to sign, does it? Now, I have signed the front and back before, and it didn't make a difference. I mean, all my stuff is always going through. But you should definitely flip this over and negotiate the back, because there is a public side and a private side. The public side of the document is this side. When you flip it over, that is the private side of the document. That's our side as secure parties. That's how we make stuff move, on the back side. Okay? So you got to kind of, put that into your data bank.
Now,
but just
do we have to be a secured party to do A4V?
No. I kind of think, I feel like credit repair and A4V is training for getting you to maneuver well as a secured party. Okay, it's like you're putting in your homework for your law degree.
You said something about signing the back because you're a secured party.
No, well, you sign the back because that's the private side of the document.
If I may, how do you sign the back? Which way?
Okay, let me see if I can find an example. I'm not seeing an example for the back, but I can explain it. If you would simply flip over this voucher, if it was a check, right, you would flip it from right to left to get to the back side, and you would endorse the left vertical side of that check to endorse it, right?
Right.
Okay, so you would do the same thing as if this was a check.